Hey, this is Kurt down at Carnes Equipment with a 2015 Can-Am Commander 1000 Limited. Limited would have been the color for the 2015 model. A lot of accessories, just over 1,600 miles on this machine. Accessories, winch, windshield, curved light bar, roof, side mirrors, rear view mirror, harnesses. You can see the in-dash stereo. There's even a GPS on this one. Those are gun holders. We don't have the gun mounts, the gun scabbards for them. Of course, the Commanders had the dual rate rear bed, so you got a little bit here and then it's got the piece that pulls out. That is a dumpable bed. It does have turn signals on this machine. That the previous customer put that on there, but great machine. So if you're looking for a really good used machine, come down to Carnes Equipment. We have this and others. You can also call us at 814-324-5251, and you can find it on our website at carnesequipment.com.